Working on the go is a new expectation in this post-pandemic era. Having a flexible workplace that you can pack up on a trip is a norm, but sometimes the limited screen availability from working on a PC can be annoying, but I have a great solution. The ultimate 3-screen gaming and productivity setup, which is the Mobile Pixel Trio series. Most of the other reviews of the Mobile Pixel Trio are sponsored and outdated, so I decided to buy one for myself so I can give an honest review. In this video, I'll show you all of the main features and some other features that no one else is talking about. I'll show you the unboxing, the setup process, features, and the overall pros and cons. I bought 2 portable laptop monitors because I wanted the whole 3-screen experience, but you can just get one for the dual screen experience if that's all you need. So now let's get to the unboxing of the Trio Max. You can work from anywhere with a dual screen to the left or right of your PC. For a triple viewing experience, clip 2 Trios together. The possibilities are endless. The box has a power cable, magnet, and a clip for 2 monitors. We've also got a setup guide. You can scan this QR code with your phone or just visit the link in the description below for the instruction process. The instructions at the top here are for laptops with monitors under 16 inches. For laptops whose monitors are above 16 inches, you will have to choose which side of the template, left or right, where you want the screen to be on and then line up with that edge. If you go past this red zone while aligning your laptop, the screen will not fit properly when closed. Ensure not to enter this red zone if you want the screen hidden when not in use. Next, arrange the magnets and take out the template. The template should not be used if the monitor is new. Follow the setup instruction on the yellow card. And now let's examine the actual monitor. It is made of plastic with a sleek black metal design, quite elegant. And you can tell that this logo will light up when we turn it on. Pretty neat. But before we go ahead to set that up, let's see what else came in the box. So when you buy this product, it includes a USB-C cable and adapter to USB. If you're using 3 screens like me, don't forget the connector clip. The instruction manual includes extra adhesive and an alcohol pad for those who want to clean their laptop lids first. Use this coupon NEWMP15 to enjoy 15% off your first order at Mobile Pixel after you click the link in the description below. This site also shows you your driver installation guide for Windows and Mac. If you have a USB-C, it should work automatically, and your attachment guide also shows you all the different modes. On the back, there is more information for Windows and Mac, including how to fine-tune your settings for your monitors. Lastly are magnets. I can place them manually so they are exactly where I want them. Put it there, flip it over, and check that it looks good from the back too. Place it higher up on your monitor to prevent interference with your hinge. Take these stickers off and make sure everything is at its farthest position right about here before you press it down and slide it out. The magnets automatically extend the unit, allowing more movement on the hinge. It is a rather neat design, and I placed it at the top of my monitor to prevent any issues with my monitor's bottom hinge. We simply need to connect one end of the cord to our computer's USB-C port and the other side to our monitor. Plug it to the back of this monitor with that metal clip, as seen in the grand reveal. You can see there's about an inch left on that side. Mobile Pixels introduced a new series of portable monitors, perfect for on-the-go professionals. These monitors are ultra thin and light, making them easy to carry with you wherever you go. The monitors come in 3 different sizes, each with its unique features. The 12.5-inch monitor is perfect for working on documents or browsing the web, while the 14-inch model, which is the model I have, is perfect for watching videos, editing photos, editing videos, which is mostly what I do. The 15.6-inch model is the largest of the 3 and offers a full HD resolution, making it perfect for gaming or working with larger files. All models come with a HDMI port, so you can easily connect them to your laptop or tablet. Mobile Pixel also offers a stand that allows you to prop up the monitors for a more ergonomic experience. The Mobile Pixel Trio portable monitors are the perfect solution for professionals who need an extra screen when they are on the go. It's definitely one of the best portable monitors that money can buy. The display is bright and vibrant and is big enough to work on without feeling cramped. In addition, the Mobile Pixel Stone feature allows you to tweak the display's colors to better suit your needs. It also has an adjustable stand to set the perfect viewing angle, and when you're not using it, it folds into a slim protective case. These monitors connect to your laptop through the USB-C or HDMI cables and charges through the USB-C. In addition, it comes with an inbuilt battery that lasts up to 5 hours, so you can take it with you without having to worry about finding an outlet to plug it in. If you need to use it for longer than 5 hours, you can just plug it into your computer and start working. There are 3 primary buttons on your computer. The top and the bottom button is for adjusting brightness, while the middle is the menu button. Through this menu, you can customize contrast, saturation, color, temperature modes. An example is the eye care mode for reducing strain at night, and whether or not to utilize the G sensor by flipping off the screen lock mode. If you're not a fan of magnets at the back of your lid, you can use this monitor as a standalone next to your laptop. They have a magnetic stand available for $35. These prices are subject to change based on availability, so check my links in the description below for up-to-date pricing. The larger option will cost you about $300, and the smaller option, which is for 13 to 14 inch laptops, will cost you about $260. So obviously 2 of the larger options will cost about $600. So if you use my code next to the link in the description below, you can get an additional 15% off. So don't forget to copy that before clicking the link. This product is also made for plastic, so if you're someone like me who tends to be rough on their devices, this might be a more durable option. If you're unsure whether this product is right for you, they offer a try before you buy option that allows you to test it out for 30 days before they charge you. You need to put a $30 deposit, and there's also a $15 restocking fee if you change your mind and don't want the product anymore. So let's get into the pros and cons. My first con is that there is no vertical tilt. I really wish there was a way to tilt the screen vertically, forward or backwards, because however your screen is tilted, that is how your monitors are locked to. My next con is that there is no premium option. I wish there was a higher resolution option for a 1440p screen or better gaming options. A screen with a faster refresh rate than 60 Hz would have been better, because your monitors will cap your frames per second at 60 FPS, no matter how fast your computer is. And one more con is I definitely wish there was more color options. Like, I personally would have gotten rose gold or pink, because everything looks better in pink. But right now I think the only options are in black. I don't think I've seen white, or I don't think I saw the option of white. So definitely having more options for the screen would definitely be a big plus. Now, my top pro for the Trio Max is the ease of use. Right off the bat, I was impressed with how simple it is to set up and use, especially if you have USB-C ports like I do. It's gonna work immediately after plugging it in. The next pro is how versatile it is. The magnetic design of this monitor is just genius. It makes it incredibly easy and quick to instantly transform into any of these modes on the go. The third is compatibility. It can work with Samsung devices, PC, Macs, Chromebooks, and even Nintendo Switch, making the market for this huge. The Mobile Pixel Duo is a thinner and lighter alternative to the Trio Max, but doesn't have a 3-screen mode capability. I've included links to both products in the description so you can pick which one is best for you. I prefer the Trio Max because you can upgrade to the 3-screen modes if you want to in the future. If you purchase one of these, and I think many of you who experience one would definitely want to, use the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. I get a small commission for every sale they make at no cost to you. This definitely helps to support the channel, so make sure you use the link below. It is definitely a perfect monitor for business professionals or creative individuals who need a second or even third screen on the go. It is well designed, has a great display, and has features that make it easy to use and love. The transforming capabilities of these monitors are endless. You can use the 2-screen mode, the 3-screen mode, the side-by-side mode. If you have only one extra screen, don't worry. The G sensor automatically lets you rotate your screen, and the rotatable monitors lets you share your screen easily with a 180-degree view. If that's not enough, they are also capable of 270 degrees rotation, and you can also detach it completely into portrait mode, or even use triangulated conference mode for 3 screens. These monitors are very handy in my day-to-day life. I could use it to edit my videos, open up multiple softwares, and work on them at the same time without having to minimize my screen or share screen like I used to before. These monitors are also very helpful in keeping me organized, and I've seen my productivity skyrocket. Overall, these monitors are a great addition to my work life. You can't go wrong by trying out this portable setup. It is safe to say that this is one of my favorite laptop accessories that I have ever had. I'm constantly working at different locations, and having at least one additional mobile monitor wherever I go has led to an incredible increase in productivity. So whether you work a 9-to-5 job, you work from home, you're a vlogger, you're a YouTuber, you're a streamer, or you're just someone that wants an extra screen on the go, the Mobile Pixel Trio series are the perfect ones for you. And at under $600, they're affordable enough to make them a no-brainer purchase. So go ahead and add 1 or 2 to your cart today. Your future self will definitely thank you. I'm determined to make my 20s one of the best times of my life. So if you want to come along this self-discovery and career building journey, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for all the love and support. I appreciate every single one of you. Comment down below what content you would like to see more. Subscribe and watch this next. Love you. See ya.